8 times 8 gives us 64. And again, here we have 8 times 8, which is again 64. And 64 divided by 64 is equal to just 1. But this answer is not correct. Because according to the order of operation, PEMDAS, which I will write here, so according to the rule PEMDAS, P stands for parenthesis, E stands for exponent, M and D stands for multiplication or division, A and S stands for addition or subtraction. According to this rule, the first thing to solve is parenthesis, right? So parenthesis is priority number 1, and the second thing to solve is the exponent, and the exponent is priority number 2, and the third thing to solve is parenthesis, I mean multiplication or division. It is priority number 3, and finally we have to solve addition or subtraction, and it is priority number 4. So here is where most people get wrong. They think multiplication comes before division, therefore multiplication should be solved first, but that is the wrong attitude, because multiplication or division both have similar priority, right? They are priority number 3, as you can see here in the screen. I just put them in one priority, and the standard order of operation put them in same priority, right? They have equal in priority, meaning we have to solve them left to right. That is the way. And we have to solve whichever comes first, right? So if division comes first, we have to solve division. If multiplication comes first, we have to solve multiplication first, and we are going to move from left to right, solving the problem in that order. So let's go back into our problem. So when we see a problem, we have 8 times 8 divided by 8 times 8. So the first thing to do is the multiplication, and then the division, and then the multiplication once again. They both have similar equal priority, so we have to move from left to right, like reading a book, right? So that is the right approach. So 8 times 8 gives us 64. And 64 divided by 8 times 8 is going to be the next equation, and 64 divided by 8 gives us 8, and 8 times 8 is equal to 64. So the final answer to this question is 64.